Anandapur, where adventurers meet up. I love this time of year. Many holidays around the world are celebrated with light, and the same is true here in Anandapur, for this is the season of the Hindu celebration Diwali, which we call the Festival of Light. This year, Diwali falls from November 7th through the 12th. Now, across India, there are different stories of Diwali, but what they all have in common is the triumph of light over darkness and the celebration of good over evil. We decorate our homes with beautiful marigolds and elaborate rangoli designs. We perform puja or worship, offering prayers with clay lamps called diyas, to remember how light guides our way. Absolutely every day leads to a new adventure. Why look now? Two new friends. Let's welcome them.
Look! Hey, good boy! Thanks for our Wilderness Explorer compass. We're here! We're really here! Wait, where is here?
You're in Anandapur, India.
Wow, we're in the Nanda Panda. No, Nanda? We're in India.
That's right. You're in Anandapur. So, who are you?
My name is Russell. And I'm a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Shabash, Russell. And who's your furry friend?
He's my dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Speak, boy. Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Did he just...
Hi there. My name is Doc.
Oh my, you can talk! I've never met a talking dog before!
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
I love you too, dog. I'm Annika, a senior wilderness explorer from the local Chidiya tribe, Mor Lodge. Mor means peacock in the Hindi language.
Wait a minute, it's you! We found you!
Found me? Was I lost?
If you are lost, I am a great tracker. I can find you. Oh yes, I can, because squirrel!
We know you. We read about you in our Wilderness Explorers newsletter.
Oh, yeah, the newsletter about birds from around the world, right?
Yeah, now we're ready to have a new bird adventure.
Great, then you're in the right place. Say, that's a nifty camera, Russell.
I use it to take pictures for my adventure book.
I used to have a camera just like it. You know, they don't make those anymore.
Really? It's my Wilderness Explorer camera. Hey, are they Wilderness Explorers too?
I bet they are explorers and adventurers. Who's been out there earning lots of Wilderness Explorers badges? You? Oh, wonderful! Shabash! Great job.
And they should know our pledge. Oh, please, 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 can I lead it now?
Sure. Let me take your camera and we can say it together.
My Wilderness Explorer's camera? I don't know.
Wilderness Explorer's honor. I'll put it somewhere safe and sound.
Really safe?
Yes, really safe and sound. Now everyone, let's repeat after Russell.
An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Wonderful job, everyone. Give yourselves a hand. That works too. This has turned out to be quite a gathering of explorers today. I think we have almost everyone here, except for one of my good friends, Like me, he's one of the caretakers of the birds who made Anandapur their home. Please welcome my friend Adam.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. And namaste. In my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behavior in order to better understand them. And you guys can too. Has anyone here ever been on a great bird adventure before?
We did! With our bird friend, Kevin.
Who's Kevin?
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
You can talk?
A talking dog with a bird friend.
Oh, right. So, Kevin, does he talk like people too?
Oh, no. The bird named Kevin talks like a bird.
Oh, and by the way, Kevin is a girl.
Oh.
She is baby birdies. Oh, yes, she does.
So what does Kevin look like?
I'll show you. A wilderness explorer's always prepared. I have a picture.
Oh my, a really big picture.
You can keep it.
For me? Oh, thank you, Russell. Oh, let's see.
We don't want to like tag them. Usually you tag them in it.
So that's a Kevin bird.
Let's hang it for everyone to see.
Yup, Kevin has long legs.
She can run very fast,
Very fast. And she's colorful.
loud, and big.
I can see that. Sounds like you had an amazing adventure.
We did. Kevin is the reason we love birds so much.
Oh, that's great. You know, Kevin was just the beginning.
Hey, do you guys want to meet some more of the birds who call this place home?
I do. I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
Oh, hey, look, it's Miles. Hi, buddy.
Look at that, Doug.
That is an interesting bird.
He sure is, Doug. Like Annika said, that's Miles. And Miles is a trumpeter hornbill. They're found in Africa and they're designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and they can dart throughout the forest in order to catch their absolute favorite treats
Flying insects.
without losing any speed.
I know. Would all of you like to see just how Miles flies in the wild? Wonderful. Okay, I'll help. We're going to create a forest in the wild right now. If you're seated at the end of the row here in our lower center section, looks like you're a pro right there, stand up. Now turn to face the explorer just across from you and raise your arms like this, like a canopy of trees. Look at that canopy, that's great. Looks like we have a forest. Now hold it.
All right, you guys are doing a great job. Just keep still. Respect our feathered friend Miles here and just watch closely when this guy flies because he's pretty quick. What do you say? Chris is in the back. He's ready. There we go.
Shabash, Miles.
Did you see that, boy?
Thank you, everyone. Now, let's get the explorers on this side to do the same thing. If you're seated right here, you're going to do the exact same thing. Perfect. Stand up, step into the aisle, raise your arms like this. Perfect. We have another forest. Now hold it. Oh, Miles.
All right, Miles. Just keep still. Respect our feathered friend Miles again. And just watch closely when this bird flies. They are so incredible at flying. What do you say, Miles? I got some good treats, and I know Chris in the back does too. So, remember, the bird's got to fly right through the middle, so we got to save some room for Miles here, okay? All right, there you go. Everybody's doing a great job. Just keep still and keep an eye on Miles. What do you think, Chris is in the back? He doesn't bite. Ready, set, go. Nice!
Oh, shabash, Miles. You all.
Look at that birdie.
Everyone give yourselves a hand.
And Miles, you were incredible, my friend. I don't have any flying insects, but I've got a great. Nice catch! That's exactly how they would catch a flying insect in the forest of Africa. They are absolutely incredible birds. So, Miles, we have so many more birds we'd love to share with everyone here, so let's see if we can get you back home. I got some more treats. What do you say, bud? One for the road, and then to get you back home, it's just through the door right there. The same one you go out of every day. See you later.
And that was Miles, our trumpeter hornbill. Now, about our next bird. It's one of my.
Is it a snipe? I'm still looking for one of those. Here, snipe. Here, snipe.
I don't think we have a snipe.
No snipe. But we do have this guy.
Hey guys, look, right over here. Over here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Point.
Wow, he has a big beak, just like Kevin.
Yeah, he does. This guy is a ground hornbill from Africa.
And ground hornbills like this guy, they're incredible. You see, they get their name because they forage around, they use their huge beak with the force of a sledgehammer. It's awesome.
Hey, let me get my camera.
Your camera. Oh no! That's his camera!
That's a camera? Guys, can I have a hand with Cyrano? Yeah, Lauren. Can you...
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
He's not angry, Doug. That way.
So sorry about your camera, Russell. Maybe we can fix it?
That's alright. My Wilderness Explorer camera. Safe and sound?
Are you alright, small mailman?
At least I don't have to worry about breaking it anymore.
I'll find you a new camera. My gift to you.
Really?
Wilderness Explorer's honor. Now, the thing about birds like that is, well, sometimes they like to smash food with their beaks. It's one of the ways they survive in the wild.
That's right, and you know, not all birds are so wild. Some of them,
Right.
they live pretty closely with people. Like around here, if you keep your eyes open, you can see ducks and
Guinea fowl!
peafowl. But there are others too. There are cardinals and
Grackles.
ibis
Oh,
and chickens.
Chickens.
Oh, chicken birdies. Oh, come here, you chicken birdies. Come here.
I'll be
Come back, chicken birdies.
That boy?
I think they're in for more than they can handle. Those chickens are fast, and I hear they're pretty smart too.
Absolutely.
In fact, there are all kinds of birds with special talents, and others with charm and personalities that make them so lovable.
Like parrots.
They grow on you.
But they can be some of the most challenging pets you could have in your home.
They can bite.
And they can scream.
And they poop everywhere.
Seriously though, not the easiest roommates.
Very true. But some of these birds are so smart that they can mimic what they hear from the world around them. Just like Keto! We have to show you this gal.
We sure do. Thanks, Bradley. Hi there, Keto. Would you like to greet all of our friends here? What do you say? How about a greeting?
I love this funny parrot. She makes me laugh every time.
She's so awesome. I will tell you what kind of parrot Keto is, but she can do it. This is Keto, and she's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. And they're usually found in Central and South America, but Keto's grown up with people her entire life. And she's learned a lot from the family that used to live with her. So, one of my favorite things are her animal sounds. What's your favorite one?
Probably
The big,
Tiger.
scary tiger? We do the tiger. Nice.
That was a little scary. Maybe something a little more tame.
Oh yeah, for sure. If that was too much, we can do the smaller tiger. How about your kitty cat? Nice. And hey, have you been to Australia?
No, I haven't.
So, well, if you go, you might be able to hear this one, the kookaburra. Nice. And the animal sounds are cool, but Keto does something that takes it to the next level, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So, what do you think, Keto? It's her sick dance moves. Hey, what do you think? Do you want to show off? Let's sing. It's buffering. Great job, Keto!
Oh, that was amazing, Keto. Everyone say bye to Keto.
Do you want to say goodbye?
Keto really is one in a million.
Oh, she absolutely is. It would be so hard to find another bird like Keto. You see, most parrots, they never learn how to talk, and she could easily live to be 50, 60 years old. It's a pretty big commitment, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Eh.
hi. Running the marathon, I guess.
I'd say that's poultry in motion.
Be my friend. Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Did you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh yes, that bird Kevin is much, much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not once.
Oh no?
Oh no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Great! Then you're going to love our next bird!
Ah! A dinosaur!
Scary birdie, scary birdie.
No, well,
Doug, come back!
she isn't scary, just big. Russell, I'm glad you're still here. Oh,
Well, let us share this beautiful bird with all of you. The Andean condor.
we call him Ozzy.
That's a big bird.
He sure is. Andean condors are the largest member of the vulture family. And some of the largest flighted birds in the world. The wingspan is 10 feet wide.
Don't worry, everyone.
That's right, Russell. Vultures come in all different sizes.
That's right, but what makes them so special in the circle of life is what they love to eat.
Karen!
Exactly. The bodies of the animals that are decomposing out in the... See you later. Out in the wild, but it makes it so important because it stops the spread of disease and cleans up what gets left behind. We call them nature's recyclers. And if we all cleaned up in our own way, the earth would be a much cleaner place. What do you think? Do you want to show off your wingspan one last time before we get you out of here, buddy? Nice job. Oh. Graceful as ever. See you later, my friend. Carry on.
Oh man, I'm so bummed that Doug missed that. Maybe he'll come back soon.
I hope so. Oh, Annika, Russell, look.
Oh, hi Doug. I'm glad you're back.
I do not like the scary birdie.
There's nothing to be afraid of, Doug. Remember, a wilderness explorer is friend to all.
That's right. And all animals are friends to us. If you appreciate them, they'll show you just how wonderful they are.
How about it, boy?
I am a friend to all the animals. Yes, I am. Especially the birdies.
Well,
Show me the birdies.
another one of our favorites is the crown crane. Meet Fraser. Fraser Crane.
This is one of the many birds that help connect us to a world of stories and adventures.
Say hi, Doug.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
The great crowned crane is the national bird of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crowns. Can't you just imagine them flying over the plains of Africa like they did just now?
Fly, birdie. Fly.
Love your enthusiasm, Doug. When he's done with his treats, I'll ask and see if he wants to come down for a bird's eye view.
Yeah.
Or a close encounter of the bird kind. I'll be here all week.
So, how does Fraser nest?
Well, these guys would typically make a mound in the middle of the grasslands. But I have an idea. Do either of you want to feed Fraser?
I do.
Oh, so cool. Okay. I've got some of his favorite treats, Russell. Just for you.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
He does.
When my hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Very funny, Russell. But believe it or not, there's no hair on this guy at all. The crest on his head and even his eyelashes are all modified feathers. It's pretty neat. The ones on his head, they stick up straight like that because they're shaped like a corkscrew, which is great camouflage in the grasslands of Africa. And the coolest thing is, he doesn't even use product. But Fraser, you were so awesome. He's also the local vacuum cleaner too.
Eats everything.
Just that way. Top speed. And that was Fraser Crane!
Oh, that is a very friendly bird.
He sure was. And next we have my favorite bird. Probably my favorite animal.
Yes. Look at him.
A symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Everyone, meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, Doug, bald bald eagles aren't actually bald.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She's so majestic.
And inspiring too. You know, not long ago the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But through conservation efforts, all of us played a huge part in helping these guys' population to recover. And I'm happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Wow, we can really make a difference.
That's right, Russell. If we make a conscious effort to protect the planet and the animals that we get to share it with, we can make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope. And now, I would like to introduce my favorite feathered friend, the peacock. In ancient mythology from India, a story is told that once the tail feathers of Morpish were dull, but in gratitude for the more protection of the people, the peacock was given his beautiful, iridescent feathers. So now, during the season of Diwali, the peacock is the symbol and reminder to shed off our past and embrace the coming of the new year. I call this beautiful creature Nabil, which is a very noble name. Not only is peacock Mor in Hindi, but Mor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
You're right, Russell. And did you know that there are thousands and thousands of bird species that live all over the world? And the coolest thing is, you don't have to go that far to find them. Many birds can be found right in your backyard or even at your local parks back at home.
You know, whether it's a Kevin bird or an eagle, an owl or a peacock, you'll discover birds and other animals with incredible stories. And discovering their story is just the beginning of your adventure. Russell, smile. For you. Now go explore.
Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
And Russell, behind you, a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
And don't forget about the spectacled owl with Brad over here, or Taraco.
Russell, you've got a new friend.
They like me. They really like me.
I too can run around like the birdies.
Now look who's flying like a bird.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I love them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Our pleasure, Russell.
We're so glad you got to visit our feathered friends here today.
Like the fireworks of Diwali, birds in flight give me hope for the new year. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures are all around. All we have to do is look up. Right, Russell?
That's right. Oh yeah, the wilderness must be explored.
Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure. Namaste.
Bye.
Oh, chicken birdies again. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Come here. Oh, come here. Be my friend. Be my friend. Oh, I love chicken birdies. Oh, I love them.
Hey, Dylan, wait up.
Thank you for joining us for a great bird adventure. Now please, gather all of your belongings, take small explorers by the hand as you proceed to the exit. For your safety,